Hello guys, good morning. We try to keep with the questions and answers, and today it's question number 5, which is, did you put a stop loss when you bought your stock? Okay, this is the most important thing in trading. If I say to you that stop loss is 50% of your trading strategy, maybe you don't believe. Okay? Since you don't believe, that's why you make losses in your trades. Now, I will explain just very simple, and this video will be short because I always speak about stop loss, but still I receive a lot of questions, a lot of inquiries about stop loss, not because of the stop loss itself, but the people, the beginning, they don't put it, and they when they have a problem, they ask me. Okay, I receive a lot of emails. Okay, I will give you a normal email. Okay, hey Karim, how are you? Oh, I'm sorry, I am in a trade and I have a problem. I lost $2,000 today. What? 2,000? How much money you have? Do you have $100,000? $150,000 to lose $2,000 a day? Are you crazy? What did you do? Now, check this stock. Okay, any stock, you know. For me, I don't, I just take this stock and put it in my chart. And I see what's the problem. The problem is, there are two problems. Most of the people, they lose too much money are penny stocks. Now, why penny stocks? Why I always speak penny stocks? I say don't trade them. Okay? It's because you don't know the risk. How can you put stop loss in a penny stock? You can't. Because penny stock by its nature is very volatile. It can go from $1 to $1.50, or $1.50 it can go down to 50 cents. No one knows because there is a lot of manipulation. This I explain in almost all my videos. Don't trade penny stocks because they are risky and you can't put stop loss. That's why it is so risky. Okay. Now, when did you buy the stock? Oh, the stock was $2. Okay? And I check the price. I find it, for example, $1. It's from $2 to $1. They lose 50% of their money. So, and what will you do? Because for me, I don't take your responsibility. This is the problem. You think that I will put myself into your situation. I will not. It's your problem. So for me, first, I will not do what you are doing. You are doing mistakes, and I ask you to correct your mistakes, but you don't want to correct your mistakes. Okay? Now, if you have a problem, you face it yourself. You are a trader. You are putting money in the market. You want to take money from the market, as a profit. So you should defend yourself by doing what? Not by holding a stock that it is a loser, but by correcting your mistakes. Okay? So when you see, did you put a stop loss when you bought a stock? You should put a stop loss in every trade you do. Before you do it, you should put in a paper. Okay, this stock is, for example, $10. I put stop loss at $9. It means I lose $1. Okay, and it's too much. $1 from $10. It's 10%. 10% is too much risk. Okay, let's you put, for example, you put $9.30. That's an example to make the loss not big. Okay, if you buy 100 shares of a stock that it is $10, so you put in the market $1,000. Now what is your stop loss? Stop loss is $950. So how much you lose if the stock goes against you? You lose only $50. Okay? Now, what will happen if you don't put a stop loss? Suppose that the stock goes from 10 after a few days or 1 month, it goes to $5. What is your loss? Your loss is 50%. It is $500. If you enter a trade with 1,000, you lose 500 in one trade. How can you trade next time? This is a big problem. This is a psychological problem. You think that you are right and the market is false. The market is wrong. That's why you hold. Okay? I receive a lot of emails the same. And I say, when you lose, you exit the trade. Don't think about it, just exit. You lose too much. Don't wait. Now, but the other guys, they send me an email and they begin to argue with me. Okay? They say, the stock might go up and I get my money back. Your money is gone. If the stock was $10 and now it is $5, it may never see $10 in the life of the stock. Go check your charts and see penny stocks how from $10 they go to 1 cent. It is the truth. When the people, they are shorting the stock, they don't care about you. When they take your money, don't give them your money. Put stop loss, give them a little bit and get out. You are wrong. Now, people who continue to argue, people who think they are right, they are here in my channel, but they can't learn anything. Okay? They can't learn. And as the proverb says, I cannot teach an old dog new tricks. But the problem is that those they are just puppies and they don't learn too. This is a problem. When you are a beginner, if you find help from someone like me, okay, I'm trying to help you. Understand that what you are undergoing right now, I have done it before and I lost too much money. If I don't stop that thing that I have been doing before, I will end up the same as you, losing my money in the market. And the other traders, when they take your money, they will never give it back. It's over. Some people who short the stock from $10 to $5, they take your money and they exit the trade. It's done. Who will buy a stock that it is going down? Who? No one. So it's only you that keep the stock from going down more and more and more. Okay? You think that some people will come to help you. Okay. Go online, put a video, you say, okay, I am sorry, I bought the stock at $10, now it is $5, I'm still holding, please can you help me? And all the people of America and the world come and buy this stock because I want to get my $10. Why are you crying about the money that you give? You give your money for free and you say it's free, you leave the market, do whatever the market will do. Okay? So, what is my recommendation? From now on, if you are in a trade that you lose too much, just exit the trade. Next trades, if you have money, before you do anything, don't trade penny stocks. $5 and less, don't trade them. Don't go to them because you lose your shirt. Okay? Second thing, when you buy a stock more than $5, $6, $7, $10, $20, $50 or wherever you have the money, before you hit the button which is buy, you should think about where to put your stop loss. As soon as you buy the shares, you go there and you put sell and you put your stop loss which is under by stop order, not limit order, because you will exit the trade. Okay? That's it for today. Now please try to understand that you are doing a risky thing without putting the stop loss. Okay? So I repeat again and I repeat again and I repeat again. Hope those who are still losing money, they stop losing money. They stop giving money for free to the market. Other traders, the professional, they are very happy when you are stubborn. Okay? And what the market do? The market punishes you because you don't learn. The market wants to give you money, but you refuse. But when the market is taking your money, you don't stop the market. You can't stop it by stop loss. You say, okay, Mr. Market, if you are going down and I'm going long, I do a mistake, I give you some money, I give you $100. That's it. Why you say you give you a blank check to the market and say, okay, this is my money, take whatever you want, I'm wrong, take whatever. You can do that because you are wrong. Understand, you are wrong, you correct yourself, you exit the trade. But you don't exit when you lose too much money. If you put stop loss, you will lose just little money each time. And when you are right, the stock going up, you will stay there and make too much money. This is how do we make the money in the stock market. And this is the rules. Either accept the rules or go find another business. Because trading is so hard, it's not easy if you don't correct yourself. If you correct yourself, it becomes so easy. As drinking water, you take the water and drink it, very easy. You don't chew, you don't do anything. It's natural. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, as usual, comment, like, or ask questions, or send me a private message. Thank you.